Hello guys, good evening beautiful people, good evening. Now me your girl Tracy Ojo, I don't come again, the only girl of peace. Okay guys, if not today be your first time when you dey come across my video, I beg not forget to subscribe, oh, not forget to like my video guys, and don't forget to press that bell, that kind bell where they make kind, so whenever I upload video, so you go be the first to see. Okay, and I want to use the opportunity to say thank you to those of you where don't show me love. Okay, those of una wey don't support me. Okay, those of una wey they encourage me, I say thank you to you all. God bless you, all of you now. 1 million love now I get for all of una. Okay, so my beautiful people, I just want to share some words to you. It's very nice and it's very adviseful. I beg, we carry pikin for 9 months and we can't give birth to that pikin. You know, see, I say it not good. Say after you don't carry pikin for 9 months, you can't suffer, push that pikin out from your belly. Then they say you now when be say you cry, don't cry. You can't still get that mind. Can't still go say that pikin. It's not good. It just get one video when I watch which day here. We be say woman wey born pikin because say the man not get money. You will go marry. You know say the man not get money. You born first one, you born second one, you born third one. You can't born the fourth one. You can't say that the fourth one. Now you want it. Now you want say. You want say that fourth one now. Make you take care of the remaining 3 where you don't fair born. You know see I say that one na madness. I won't call that one. That one na real madness. So selling your child, selling your child, my sister, is not a good thing. How you go, you say the man not get money to take care of you and those children. You open your leg, you born first one, not do you. You not born the one you will fit take care of. You can't they born, they go. You can't say you won't sell the fourth one. Okay, now you won't sell and now police can't take cash, then now say the man now he shot, the man can't use less the money. So the woman now can't they fight him. Say money what they said they are picking. You now use less the money. She be said that pikin now make she take do business, and the man he can't use less the money. What is they call that kind of man? Useless man. Now he not fit take care of those children. His wife now we still useless follow one. Can't go sell the other one. The man now can't use less the money, and they don't already sell the child. So when they fight now, and again and they can't open up to police. Now police they arrest them. Even the woman we see join we carry that pikin do the business with them. May they sell the pikin. Police to arrest the woman. So ladies, if now you be the type where they do those kind of things, or you know people where they do and you know person where they do, I beg share my video. Make the person know say to do that thing is very wrong. So it's not good when you carry pikin. Then you can't still go sell that pikin. No matter how you they suffer rich, strong go. If na garri, none of una won't eat. Since you decide to born when you know say money not there, you marry poor man. Since you decide to born, so if na garri you get, give the pikin to make a chop with you. That's how you go sell the innocent child where you carry come word. The pikin na one go gain love. And if you know say you not fit take care of those child, with a year say orphanage home. We get a lot of orphanage home. We get a lot of people where they look for pikin. When people say not see pikin born, you can still hand over the child to that person or orphanage home. They will take care of those children for you. So please, guys, share my video, let people hear, let my video go viral, and thank you all for your support. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I thank you all for your encouragement. Now big God over the serve, our Baba God over the heaven. Now I go bless all of you now when they support me, okay? And please don't forget to press the notification bell. As you do that, God bless you. See you next time on my video. Bye.